show you this amazing unit at 9501 Seagrape. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So follow me as we walk to this unit. As we get in here, you see a few doors, but one is the door for the washer and dryer. It's a closet where you find this. Also, the AC unit. Air conditioning is from 2014. This is a storage closet. And we'll have here one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it has wood floors, a nice big window to the outside, and a walk-in closet. This is the other bedroom. It has a shower. Again, this door is a storage area as well as this closet. And now we're heading to the other bedrooms in this unit. This is another one of the bedrooms, very spacious, neutral colors, a lot of light coming in, and a very spacious closet. So here you have a view of the living dining area and the kitchen. Tile floors, neutral colors in the walls, and this amazing view to the outside. With this patio, got a screen. You can even listen to the birds from here. So now we walk to the master suite. Wood floor, a lot of windows, a lot of light coming in. Access to the patio through the sliding door. Bathroom with a shower. And it has a walk-in closet. Look at that view. Great storage area. Here's some details of the kitchen. Wood cabinets and stone countertops. You have all stainless steel appliances. Nice refrigerator, and also you have a window that will bring a lot of light to the space. Of course, it's open here to the dining living area and to that amazing view. So here we are on our way from the unit, patio, to the pool. As you can see, it's very close. You have the chairs there. They're not set up right now, but they're available. So for more information, give us a call. My phone number is 954-279-9674, and get into our webpage, reallistingagent.com, or click below and subscribe.